So let it be root say alpha, beta, gamma. S1 minus B by A that equal to 10. S2 plus C by A 7 by 1. S3 minus D by A. So they are the S1, S2, S3 values. Match the list 1 and list 2. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but S1. S1 value is 10. S1 value is a 10. So match 1 and E. Next. Third option 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta plus 1 by gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma LCM. Beta, gamma, gamma alpha, alpha, beta. This is S2 value, S2 symbol. This is S3. S2 value is 7. S3 value is minus 8. So match the third and B. Next, second one, alpha square, beta square, gamma square equal to S1 square minus 2 S1 S3 alpha square plus beta square gamma square equal to S1 square minus 2 into S2. S1 value 10. 10 square minus 2 into S2 value 7. 100 minus 14 equal to 86. So second and C. Match 2C. Next, fourth one. Alpha by beta gamma plus beta by gamma alpha plus gamma by alpha beta. LCM alpha beta gamma. Beta gamma cancel. Alpha square. Similarly beta square. Similarly gamma square. Alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square equal to 86. 86 by S3 value is minus 8 that equal to minus 43 by 4. Minus 43 by 4. So 4 and 8. So 1 E 2 C 3 A 3 B 4 A. Non-repeated root. Non-repeated root of this equation. First, listen the concept again. Suppose f of x equal to 0. F of alpha equal to 0. F dash alpha equal to 0. F double dash alpha equal to 0. Suppose alpha satisfies only these two conditions. F of alpha equal 0, f dash alpha equal 0. Then we say that alpha is the repeated root repeated 2 times. Repeated 2 times. Suppose alpha satisfies f of alpha equal 0, f dash alpha equal to 0, f double dash alpha equal to 0. So alpha satisfies f, f dash and f double dash. Then we say that alpha is the repeated root, repeated three times. Three times. So he wants a non-repeated root. Non-repeated root. Listen. F of x equal to x cube plus 4x square plus 5x plus 2 equal 0. F dash x dash. Dash means first derivative. Double dash means second derivative. F dash x equal to 3x square plus 8x plus 5. F double dash x 6x minus 8 second derivative. By observation f of minus 1 value minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole square 5 into minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 plus 4 minus 5 plus 2 6 minus 6 6 minus 6 equal to 0. F dash minus 1. Substitute x value minus 1 in this equation. 3 into minus 1 whole square, 8 into minus 1 plus 5. 3 minus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. F double dash minus 1. 6 into minus 1 minus 8 minus 14 not equal to 0. So f of minus 1 equal to 0, f dash minus 1 equal 0. So minus 1 is the repeated root of 2 times. Repeated 2 times. So let alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to minus 1. We want a non-repeated root. Suppose he wants a repeated root, answer is minus 1. But he wants a non-repeated root. So by Harness method or synthetic division, 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 with minus 1, 0, 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, adding these two, 3, 3 into minus 1, minus 3, plus 2, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, remainder 0. Next again with beta, 0, 1, 1 into minus 1, minus 1, plus 2. So 2 into minus 1, minus 2, adding these two 0. So x cube quotient, x square quotient. After second division, this is the x quotient. So x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal minus 2. So repeated root is minus 1, non-repeated root is a minus 2. 9. Given 2x cube minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. There is no x square theorem. So first write in the order 2x cube plus 0x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. S1 value minus b by a, b value 0, a value 2, 0 by something equal to 0, s2 value plus c by a plus c value minus 2 by a value 2, 2 table cancel, minus 1, s3 minus d by a minus d value minus 1, a value 2, 1 by 2. He wants sigma alpha square beta equal to s1 s2 minus 3 into s3. This is the shortcut formula. See the formula in the synopsis. So s1 value minus 1, s1 value 0, s2 value minus 1, s3 value 1 by 2, 0 into something equal 0, minus 3 by 2 equal to 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Given same equation, so s1 value 0, s2 value minus 1, s3 value 1 by 2. He wants sigma alpha beta whole square. Shortcut formula s2 square minus 2 s1 s3. So s2 value minus 1 whole square 2 into s1 value 0, s3 value 1 by 2, 1 minus 0 equal to 1. Bit number 31, s1 value minus b by a minus p by 1, s2 value plus c by a q by 1, s3 value minus d by a minus r by 1. He wants a sigma alpha square beta plus gamma or alpha square beta, both are equal. By expanding this one, how to expand this one? See, take cyclic order, alpha, beta, gamma. First term, alpha square, beta plus gamma, alpha square, beta plus gamma. Similarly, second term, beta square, gamma plus alpha plus gamma square, alpha plus beta, like the first term, alpha square into beta plus gamma. Second term, beta square, gamma plus alpha. Third term, gamma square, alpha plus beta. Sigma means addition. So, sigma alpha square beta plus gamma is nothing but sigma alpha square beta s1 s2 minus 3 into s3. s1 value minus b, s2 value q, 3 into s3 value minus r minus pq, minus and minus plus 3r. So 3r minus pq. And this cubic equation, there is no x square term, So its coefficient is 0. A value 1, B value 0, C value Q, D value R. S1 equal to minus B by A, 0 by 1. S2 value plus C by A plus Q by 1. S3 value minus D by A minus R by 1 minus R. He wants this value. S1 alpha plus beta plus gamma equal to 0. Take this one again. From this one, alpha plus beta equal to minus gamma. Beta plus gamma equal to minus alpha. Gamma plus alpha equal to minus beta. Replace alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma and gamma plus alpha with these three values. So we get 1 by alpha plus beta equal to minus gamma. This minus gamma is this one. Plus 1 by minus alpha 1 by gamma plus alpha equal to minus beta minus 1 by minus 2 gamma 1 by minus 2 alpha 1 by minus 2 beta. Take 1 by minus 2 common. 1 by gamma plus 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. 1 by minus 2. Take alpha, beta, gamma LCM. Gamma cancel. Alpha cancel. Beta gamma. Beta cancel. Gamma alpha 1 by minus 2 into this is S2, this is S3. So 1 by minus 2 into S2 value Q, S3 value minus R, Q by minus R, Q by minus into minus plus 2R, Q by 2R. Given alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this cubic equation. S1 value minus B by A, B value 2, A value 1 minus 2, S2 value plus C by A, C value minus 3, A value 1 minus 3, S3 value minus D by A minus half, D value minus 1, A value 1, minus into minus plus, 1 by 1 equal to 1. He wants alpha power minus 2 plus beta power minus 2, gamma power minus 2. So, this is 1 by alpha square, 1 by beta square, 1 by gamma square. Take LCM, alpha square, beta square, gamma square. Alpha square cancel, beta square, gamma square. Beta square cancel, alpha square, gamma square. Gamma square cancel, alpha square, beta square. This is nothing but sigma alpha beta whole square. This alpha into beta into gamma equal to S3 whole square. So sigma alpha beta whole square value, shortcut formula, S2 square minus 2 S1 S3 by S3 square. Substitute all these three values. S2 value minus 3 whole square, 2 into S1 value minus 2, S3 value 1 by 1 square, 9 minus and minus plus 4 by 1, that equal to 13.